Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Art Whisper 88. Now, I thought I would make this short video for the benefit of our friends in Europe and other non-English speaking countries. Now, I've received comments on how they can have closed captions in their language. So I'm going to do my best because I'm not the greatest technical expert, but here in the lower right-hand corner are your settings, and you have to click on the CC button, which is closed captions, and then after that you go to settings. Now once you click on settings, a menu box will appear, and then you have all these choices, and I did some screenshots so you can see which part of the menu you can select, and then you click on auto translate, and then you can choose whatever language you want the closed caption to be displayed as. So I hope this helps, and please stay tuned. So I hope to see you next time.